Something men and women both often use on a daily basis is hairspray. It keeps your hair tame, stops all that annoying frizz, and makes sure your hairstyle looks as good as it did the moment you left your house. Since hairspray is often used every day, or most days of the week, make sure you are using healthy options that are natural, organic, and safe. Anything that dries out hair can make frizz worse. This includes shampoos that are alkaline, and products, such as styling gels, that contain alcohol. Styling tools that use heat can also dry out hair. If you want to achieve a smoother look to your locks, there are home remedies that can restore moisture to help reduce frizz. And increased moisture can improve hair health. Frizziness is caused by dry hair that lacks moisture. Ironically, humid, wet weather tends to make frizzy hair worse. That's because dry hair tries to absorb moisture out of the air, causing each hair's cuticle, or outer layer, to swell up, instead of lying flat. The cuticle comprises overlapping scales, which separate and rise in moist hair. This makes hair look frizzy. We need 3 things to prepare this chemical-free hairspray. 1. Spray bottle. 2. Aloe Vera Gel. 3. Vitamin E Capsules. Rubbing aloe vera into your scalp and hair, and letting it penetrate your hair follicles, could condition and improve damaged dry hair. Using aloe vera is a great way to get hair that looks healthier, shinier, and softer. Vitamin E may help support a healthy scalp and hair, as it has natural antioxidant effects that could assist with maintaining hair growth. The vitamin's antioxidant properties could help reduce the amount of oxidative stress and free radicals that cause the hair follicle cells in a person's scalp to break down. Take an empty spray bottle and fill 3/4 of it with water. Then add 2 vitamin E capsules and 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Shake well before using. Use daily for better results.